The EksoZeroG is the #1 game changer I've ever seen in construction. Every tradesman that has to work over his head know that it's a game changer. My name is Steve Brown. I'm a union carpenter. I work on a very large-scale project right now in northern Nevada. We're doing a lot of overhead drilling into pan deck. We started off without the EksoZeroG. Guys were beating themselves to death. And then they brought the EksoZeroG out, and we absolutely stunned our office. Our productivity went up about 200%, almost 300%. Setup is probably one of the fastest tools I've set up. Takes about 30 seconds at most, and the production just has increased beyond belief. I've used roto hammers for years without it, and at this point, if I had my say, I would never use a roto hammer without the EksoZeroG again. It's night and day. I mean, just the safety alone is phenomenal. A guy can get more productivity in a day than just basically beating himself to death. Like I said, there's not enough I can say about this tool because of my past experience using without it, the injuries, the fatigue, the torn muscles, the sore muscles. Now, I mean, we're just smoking it out there. I mean, we're just flying with it. It's an incredible tool. I won't let anyone else touch my EksoZeroG.